Okay, Bartek, now I have a slightly different situation. In my original repository, there is ongoing development, and I want to integrate changes from my original repository inside repository that I have mirrored on gitlab.eufus.psnc.pl. How can I do this?
Okay, so what you want to do is a pull mirror. So you want to integrate changes from some other repository into your own GitLab workspace. So we'll simulate that inside of command line, because we can't do this in UI because it's a paid feature in GitLab. So maybe for starters, maybe make some changes to your Beaver repository so we can show how to make a pull mirror.
Okay, so I will just simulate here that I have made some changes which diverge from my original, from my mirrored repository inside the gitlab.eufus. So I will
Yes.
maybe just do something here. I will change this file. So maybe
Yes,
let's,
exactly.
yeah. So I will just add here some info like performing pull mirror to gitlab.eufus.psnc.pl. Okay, so let's save these changes. Okay, commit changes. And now I have my changes here. I want to have them inside my repository, which I have on a gitlab.eufus.psnc.pl.
Okay, so you have to go to your gateway account or maybe your own computer. It doesn't matter. We will use gateway account and clone your repository there. But
You
we'll
are
discuss.
referring to this repository.
Yes, exactly. This
Okay.
repository.
Okay, so let me copy the name of this repository. So I will just take it.
Mhm.
Okay, and now I will just jump to terminal.
Exactly. So now, when you are in your terminal, you have to clone your repository that you want to integrate in your GitLab workflow. So we will have to clone your repository, but this clone will be a little bit different. This clone will have the bear flag. So type the git clone -- bear and your repository, yeah, and maybe give it a name.
Okay, like this.
Exactly.
Okay, so
This
let's go.
this will clone your repository, but in a bear mode. Then you want to go inside this repository.
Okay.
And we will push changes. But this push will also have this minor change, which is the -- mirror flag. So maybe write git push -- mirror. And get the address of your GitLab repository.
Okay, let me just copy paste it. It will be easier. Okay, so but now I am pasting the name of my repository on gitlab.eufus.
Yes, exactly. The one
Okay.
you want to pull mirror to.
Okay.
Okay, and then we'll go on to
Okay.
press enter. You
Okay.
have to
And
you have to add your credentials for the gateway.
Okay. But I have to add them here because we are using authentication based on the GitLab LDAP. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I am just using my standard GitLab account. Okay. Yeah, it looks like something has happened.
Okay, so maybe let's look at the changes on your GitLab repository.
Okay, let me do this. Okay, so now I am here. I can see that these are my changes in the original repository, and now I will jump to my GitLab repository. So let's refresh here the repository. And now we are on the branch master. Now let's scroll down. Yeah, it looks like it works. I have my changes, which I have integrated from my GitHub repository.
So maybe now let's make another change. So we will show you. I will show you how to update the repository.
Okay. So what should I do now?
Well, make another change on your Beaver. Yes, exactly. The original
So
repository.
I will edit the README file again. I will just go here, edit file, and add another comment. So another change inside original repository. Okay, and I am committing changes here. Okay, and what should I do now?
Now get back to your terminal.
Okay, so let's go to terminal.
I will show you the commands that you have to execute. We already did the cloning. We already cloned the repository, and we push the changes to your already existing Beaver import. But now we want to refresh changes, so we don't have to every time clone the repository and push. We have to just fetch the changes that had been done and push them again to your mirrored Beaver import. So maybe this is what we will do. Okay.
Okay, so just to recall the change I have introduced, I have added some changes in my original repository. Now I will try to fetch the changes from my original repository on GitHub. Okay, let's do it. So this is the command that you have shown me.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, let's do it. It looks like something has been fetched. And
yes.
Now I want to push these changes again.
Exactly.
Okay, so let's take the command line that you have shown me. I will paste it here. Okay, so I am pushing to my gitlab.eufus repository.
Exactly.
Again, I have to provide my GitLab credentials. So I am just typing my username and my password from gateway. Okay, something has changed. And now, yeah.
Let's check if there are any changes.
Okay, let's go there. So just to recall the change I have introduced, I have just added this another change. And now let's take a look whether it's reflected in my mirror repository. So we still have this old change here, but I will refresh the page now. Okay, let's scroll down. Yeah, I can see another change.
That's okay. This is how you do the pull mirror.
Okay, thank you.
See you again.